Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this video, I would like to show you how to create one version of a stock chart. The sample file that I'll use, stocks, is an Excel workbook that you can download using the link that I provide in the video description below. In this workbook, I have a worksheet with 4 bits of data regarding a specific stock. So I have the day, which I'm not counting as one of the 4 elements. But then I have the opening value, the high value for the stock during a trading day, its low value, and also the value that it closed at. One thing that you should bear in mind about this data, and this doesn't have to be true because you can have after-hours trading, but for my data set, the closing value for one day is the opening value for the next day. So here we have our data, and let's say that I want to create a chart that uses the day and also the high, open, or rather the open, high, low, and closing values. So I'll start by selecting all the values here. So I'll press Control A after clicking cell A1. That selects the entire active region. Then on the Insert tab of the ribbon, I'll go to the Charts group. And then I have the Insert Waterfall, Funnel, Stock, and Other Charts buttons. So I'll click there. And I have a stock chart. There are several types. The data that I'm working with has open, high, low, and close. So there is the high, low, close chart. We're not going to use that because we have one more bit of data. And then I have open, high, low, and close. And you can see the chart preview in the back. We're not going to worry about volume because we don't have that. And then we also have volume, open, high, low, and close, which doesn't fit our data at all. So I will click open, high, low, and close. And there I have the chart. And I'll change the chart title to value. So I'll just edit there. And if I take a look at the chart, it doesn't really reflect the changes in the value. So even though it's depicted accurately, what I want is more of a sense of the amount of the change relative to its actual value. So that means that rather than having a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 90, I might want to have, say, a minimum of 30 and a maximum of 80. So let's change those values now. I will right-click the vertical axis, and then at the bottom of the shortcut list, I have Format Axis. So I'll click that, and then over on the side, under Axis Options, I'll change the minimum to 30, press Tab, and then the maximum I will make 80, and press Tab. That looks good. I will click the Close button to close the Format Axis task pane, and there I have the values. And to me, this is a better depiction of the data. And over in the stock chart, I have an indication of where values closed and opened. So if I see the low point is 47, that's there. Then I have the up bar and the high and low lines. And if I look over at my data, I see that I have on the second day, August 3rd, that the value went down, and there I have a dark or filled-in rectangle, a filled-in box, and then also I see that we went down from 49 to 48 on August 5th. That is also a dark box, and everything else that indicated an increase has a white box. And that is how you create and read an open, high, low, and close stock chart. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.